So today let's look forward in the dynamical systems unit 2. Unit 2 is much more vast and I had selected only 10 questions, so you have to read many more concepts and select your own MCQs. Okay, let's see this 10. The equilibrium point x bar is asymptotically stable if it is dash and solution x of t approaches x bar as t tends to infinity. So the correct answer for this is stable, since asymptotically stable implies stable. Okay. B. A hyperbolic equilibrium point is either dash or dash. Stable, asymptotically stable, unstable, stable, unstable, asymptotically stable, or both B and C. The correct option is unstable, asymptotically stable. These are the direct definitions and you don't have to think much. Just have the definition and select answer. The union of all solution curves then tend towards equilibrium point x bar as t tends to infinity is called dash of x bar. Basin, sink, saddle, or source. The correct answer is option A, basin. Sink is asymptotically stable and therefore dash. Source is an example of dash equilibrium. So sink is asymptotically stable and therefore stable. Asymptotically stable implies stable, and source is an example of unstable equilibrium. Okay, so the correct option is answer. Moving on to the next four. If all the eigenvalues of d of f of 0 have negative real part, then we call 0 as dash of the differential equation x dash is equals to f of x. So here sink, nonlinear sink, source, none of these. So the correct answer is nonlinear sink. Sink can be also answered, but more specific is nonlinear sinks. Next, Lyapunov functions are used to decide the stability of dash equilibrium points: hyperbolic, parabolic, non-hyperbolic, or only A. Only A doesn't have any point, so the correct option over here is non-hyperbolic. Any solution curve x of t of a given dynamical system x dash. So up to this, the MCQs concerned were of the stability section of unit 2. Now we move on to the the Lyapunov function section. Okay. Any solution curve x of t of a given dynamical system x dash is equals to f of x, which starts at some point in positively invariant set P, approaches dash as t tends to infinity. Equilibrium point x bar, Lyapunov function V, strict Lyapunov function V, flow of the system phi t of x. So the correct option for this is Lyapunov function V, no, equilibrium point x bar. This is the Lyapunov function theorem. Next, the gradient system on an open set. This is the question concerned with gradient systems section. The gradient systems on an open set W contained in Rn is a dynamical system of the form x dash is equals to minus grad of v of x, where v from u to r is a C2 function and minus grad of v of x is equals to minus del v upon del x1 and so on till minus of del v upon del xn is equals to dash. Grad of v is the gradient vector field v from u to Rn. So the correct option here over is minus grad of minus v, option A. Now the last two MCQs. If x bar equilibrium point is an isolated minimum of the Lyapunov function v, then x bar is an dash equilibrium of the gradient system x dash is equals to minus grad of v of x. This is isolated minimum corollary and one of the statements of the theorem too. So stable, unstable, asymptotically stable, both B and C. The correct option is asymptotically stable. Next, at an equilibrium of a gradient system, the eigenvalues are complex and real, or 0. So the correct option for this is real. At an equilibrium of a gradient system, the eigenvalues are real. So these are the 10 MCQs concerned. Don't depend on this and read more and more. You'll get the success easily, because unit 2 is vast and so I have concerned only 10 MCQs. Thanks for watching.